Welcome. This is Speaking Part 1. To begin with, I'm going to ask you some questions about the weather. What kind of weather do you like most? What is the weather like in your hometown? Do you like the weather in your hometown? Is it reasonable to live in a place where it's always sunny? Do you think that climate is changing? Would you prefer to move to another country where the weather is different from yours? Does the weather affect your mood? Does weather affect your study or work habits? Thank you. Now I'd like to move on to part 2. Take 1 minute to write some notes about the topic in the box. Please start your talk now. I'd like to ask you a question based on your talk. Do you think you find it easier to learn some skills than others? Now let's move on to part 3. We have been talking about a skill you found it difficult to learn. Now I'd like to talk about skills in general. What skills do primary students need to master? Is it hard for students to learn new skills? Do you think everyone can learn the same skills to the same degree? Why is it hard for adults to learn a new skill? Is a teacher important to students' learning experience? Why? This is the end of the speaking test. You should play back your recording to see where you could improve.